Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable dual apps on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, just select dual apps. Now from here, just tap on create. Now from here, you can select the apps of which you want to create a clone. For an example, we will select Amazon Music. Now from here, tap on turn on. Now from here, it will take a few seconds to create a clone app of your selected app. Now as you can see, created dual apps successfully. Now just like that, just select any app you want to create dual apps. You will select speed test. Just like that, created dual app successfully. Now once we have selected the apps and created dual apps, now from here just go to your home screen. Now from here just open the app drawer. Now from here just search the name of the app of which you created dual apps. Now as you can see, we have successfully created a clone app of the Amazon Music. Now as you can see, this is the clone app and the clone app icon has appeared on the app icon. And this is how you can enable dual apps on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.